left the station, and I think there are some more people that are coming in. But anyways,
we are ready to go.
Very adventurous journey.
Yep.
So driver is ready as well. Yeah, the driver is ready as well. And his screen as well.
Yeah.
So he took another ride. Here we
Oh,
go.
here you go.
Oh, so they left the station.
Yep.
So here more people are coming in. Any people join us? Here we go.
Oh my God. What a beautiful adventurous journey, Kelly. On my left side is a bird's park, and on my right side is a this area as well. And Kelly,
Yeah, so it's going to be kind of an Indiana Jones journey. It's going to be very adventurous and dangerous journey. So we're going to hit the lake in front of us. That lake is called Rawal Lake.
yeah.
And there are a lot of people today.
Kelly, on your back, it's a beautiful view of Margalla Hills.
Yeah, so you can see some Margalla Hill.
Yeah.
Really beautiful. It's cloudy as well today, cloudy and sunny. Beautiful weather. And those tickets, not expensive though, it's 30 rupees
Yeah.
per head.
It's not expensive.
Yeah.
Realistic. And the lake is coming. So,
There's a lake in front of us.
yeah.
And that lake used to pump the water to Islamabad, right?
Yeah.
Right. So yeah, the others, the Madian, take the water from this way. There is a filtration plant as well. So right now it says
This is a stop area.
this is shopping area. So this is a beautiful view of Rawal Lake. This is a this is the heart of Islamabad, I would say. What a great look. And the other side is there's a small town. Look at that. That's called Margalla. It's a beautiful town just on the corner of the lake. Let me show you the other angle look. Another angle of this lake. This is a small town which I told you before. This is called Margalla. Just on the edge of this lake. And I can see those are some cattle. They are pretty far away. Can't zoom in more. Very nice view. So very nice. So I just came in from that side.
What is this, KB?
Oscar. So if you wanna ride on it, you can do that.
We saw in animated movies as well.
So those are the Oscars.
He's watching us.
Or maybe she's watching us, right?
Maybe she or he is watching us. Yeah. What is she doing?
What's she doing? Do you have more back there? Wow.
Yeah.
You don't have
Look
a
at
feet.
his height.